Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are fine in your health. Welcome to our channel Nomi Edits, a source of authentic educational material. Please open a Pakistan series, English book page 12, Unit 2. The topic is Aim High to the Sky. This is a poem written by James MacDonald. Okay, start from words and their meaning. Aim mean मकसद, strong मजबूत, brave बहादुर, kind मेहरबान, mind दिमाग. And now translation. Aim high to the sky. आसमान की तरफ बुलंदी का हदफ. In all that you do. आप जो कुछ करते हैं उसमें. Because you just never know. क्योंकि आप कभी नहीं जानते. What it takes to be you. कि आपको बनाने के लिए ये क्या लेता है. Be strong and brave. मजबूत और बहादुर रहो. But at the same time to be kind. लेकिन एक ही वक्त में मेहरबान भी रहो. And always be sure. और हमेशा यकीन रखो. That you are using your mind. कि आप अपना दिमाग इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. Thanks for watching.